in our solar system are exactly alike. However, the planets can be divided into two categories, terrestrial or gas giants. The four inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, all have rocky surfaces. The four outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas giants. These planets also have orbiting rings. Tiny Pluto, the outermost planet, is unique. It has a rocky core, but its surface is a thick layer of ice. 7 of the 9 planets rotate, or spin, in the same direction. Venus and Uranus are the 2 planets that spin the opposite way. Mercury is the planet that is closest to the Sun. It is our solar system's second smallest planet. Mercury has the most extreme temperature swings of any planet. During the day, the temperature can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit and drop to minus 275 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Mercury is a planet with no atmosphere. It is devoid of all air and life. Thousands of ancient craters dot the landscape. Because it is so close to the Sun, Mercury can experience 2 sunrises in a single day. A solar day on Mercury lasts about 6 Earth months from sunrise to sunrise. Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet because it is nearly the same size and orbits the Sun at a similar rate. The similarities, however, end there. With an average temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is a hot and hostile environment. Thick, choking clouds of carbon dioxide gas surround the planet, giving it a drab, dark orange hue. It's also a breezy planet. Strong winds of up to 220 miles per hour whip the clouds around the planet, faster than any hurricane on the planet. The surface of Venus is covered with lava plains, which are dry, dusty, rocky areas. As far as scientists are concerned, Earth is the only planet in the solar system with liquid water on its surface. Earth is also the only planet capable of supporting life. This is largely due to its mild, steady temperature and thick, oxygen-rich atmosphere. Earth is the most massive and dense of the 4 rocky planets. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. More than 1/10 is covered in ice. The Earth's surface is constantly changing. Large chunks of solid rock, or plates, are floating on top of molten rock. They occasionally collide with each other as they drift. A mountain range can form over thousands of years. Signs of life, such as seasonal changes in plant color, radio signals, and man-made lights, can be observed from space. The red color of Mars is caused by rusted, or oxidized, iron in the soil. This is why Mars is known as the red planet. In many ways, Mars and Earth are similar. Both planets have 4 distinct seasons, polar ice caps, consistent temperatures, and magnetic iron cores. Mars differs from Earth in that its atmosphere is thinner, and the only remaining water on Mars is frozen. The surface of Mars contains evidence that volcanoes were once active and erupting. Its largest volcano is called Olympus Mons and is 15 miles high and 370 miles wide. Jupiter is our solar system's largest planet. Indeed, it is so large that all of the other planets could fit inside. The Great Red Spot is a well-known landmark on Jupiter, GRS. It is thought to be a massive, swirling storm cloud 3 times the size of the Earth. Jupiter has the fastest rotation rate of any planet. Jupiter bulges at its equator because it is not solid and spins so quickly. Jupiter's atmosphere is extremely stormy, with winds reaching speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and lightning. It is extremely violent. On Jupiter, 1 year lasts nearly 12 Earth years. Jupiter has no distinct surface, but beneath the outer cloud layers, the gas thickens as pressure rises, eventually resembling a hot liquid. Saturn is a frigid planet. It has an average temperature of -274 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn is most well known for its rings. Saturn is the only gas planet whose rings can be seen with a telescope or even binoculars. Saturn's rings reach a distance of nearly 50,000 miles into space. They are made of a combination of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn has a lower density than water. That means that if there was a large enough tub of water, Saturn would float in it. Titan is the name of one of Saturn's moons. Titan is one of the solar system's only 3 terrestrial worlds with a thick atmosphere. Uranus is unique in that it orbits the Sun sideways, whereas the other planets orbit in an upright position. Some scientists believe Uranus was hit by a large meteor long ago and knocked sideways into its current position. Uranus is so massive that 60 Earth-sized planets could fit inside it. Uranus is considered a new planet. It was discovered in the year 1781. This may seem like a long time ago, but in comparison to the other planets, it is relatively recent. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered using a telescope. All of the other planets were visible from Earth even without one. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun, but this is not always the case. Neptune swaps places with Pluto 20 times every 250 years, becoming the solar system's outermost planet. Neptune is a very cold and windy planet. Winds whip around Neptune at an incredible 1,400 miles per hour. Neptune is a brilliant blue color, but closer inspection reveals bands of different blue shades. This color is caused by a gas called methane in the atmosphere. Triton is the name of one of Neptune's moons. Triton is thought to be one of our solar system's coldest worlds. Pluto's existence was predicted by astronomers in the early 20th century, but it was not officially discovered until 1930. Pluto is so far away that it appears as a tiny speck even in the largest telescopes and has yet to be visited by a space probe. 1 year on Pluto is equivalent to 248 years on Earth. Pluto is our solar system's smallest planet. It has a diameter of 1,430 miles, making it smaller than our own moon. Pluto's moon, Charon, is the solar system's largest satellite. Pluto and Charon are in such close orbit that they have locked in rotation, the same. Both sides are always facing each other. Little is known about Pluto, but we do know it is a cold, icy planet with an average temperature of -380 degrees Fahrenheit.